Good evening from Melbourne, Australia. Today I'm gonna make a video that a few people ask about it. How to change the oil and the oil filter on a Burgman 400. So without further ado, let's go for it. So you come on the left hand side of the motorcycle, and that's where the drain plug for the engine oil is. $17mm, break it, drain pan, and let it drain. The old filter is in here. Remember, that arrow needs to point downwards. Now in here there is a spring and an O-ring which is in really good condition, this one, so we don't need to replace it. And with the help of a screwdriver, or in case here with a magnet, you can remove the oil filter. Now the filter, you'll see one side has a big hole, the other one has a smaller hole. The big hole goes in there, that one. And we put the cap. There's no way you can put it any different way because these are not the same distance, but always remember, the arrow goes down. This one is done. Let's go and put some fresh oil in it, but not before we put drain plug. And we come on the right side of the motorcycle. We have the window, and as you can see, it's full and low, and the filling plug. After we wipe it off a bit, put a long funnel, and the oil is 10W40. That's what the manufacturer says of these motorcycles. Now if you can see, it says 1200ml, which is going to be a bit more because the oil filter might hold onto it something, but the way the oil filter is placed, I don't think it's going to hold much. Nevertheless, let's put about a bit more than a liter and see how we go. Let's put the cap. And let's start the motorcycle to run it for about half a minute and then let it stop for another 5 to check the level. About half a minute later, we can switch off the engine. And now let's wait for 5 minutes to fully let the oil go down to the crankcase and check the oil level. And look at that, right on the top line, which is full. And that was it. Alright folks, that was it. That's how you change your engine oil and engine oil filter on a Burgman 400 K7 to 13, I think. I'm pretty sure the procedure is pretty similar for every other scooter of that series. Give it a like, subscribe if you want, and give us a comment what else would you do differently, or what kind of scooter do you have? Please, I'd like to know. So from sunny Victoria, over and out.